Hello, bore da, croeso nôl, sut wyt ti? Welcome back. It's Saturday again, and it is the start of the Six Nations. Now, if you're not familiar with the Six Nations, it's a rugby tournament that happens around about this time of year, and it's the Six Nations of Wales, Ireland, Scotland, England, France, and Italy. And they all play each other in the championship, and of course I don't really support any particular team. I just kind of want them all to do well. Of course I'm going to be rooting for Wales. This, if anyone's not sure, is the name of Wales. Cymru, that's how we say it in Welsh. So Wales are playing Ireland today, and I wish them all the best of luck. I'll be watching that this afternoon. Will you be watching it too? Now, I thought I'd sing a song from each of the Six Nations as the weeks go on, and I'm going to start, of course, with Wales. So I'm going to sing the first chorus of Calon Lân. I'll put the words on the screen so you can sing along. And of course, there's the Welsh flag. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nid hwy'n gofyn bwyd moethus ar y byd na bylai man. Gofyn hwyf am calon hapus, calon onest, calon lan. Calon lan yn llawn daioni, techach yw na lili dros, dim ond calon lan all gan ni, canu'r dydd a chanu'r nos. Calon lan yn llawn daioni, techach yw na lili dros, dim ond calon lan all gan ni, canu'r dydd a chanu'r nos. Hope you joined in. I'll see you soon. Come on, Wales. Hwyl am y tro. Bye bye for now.